Hello everyone, I'm Mustafa. Today I continue to bring you a detailed summary of the Chainsaw Man series. After Denji was killed by the zombie devil, Pochita sacrificed his heart to bring Denji back to life, and thus Chainsaw Man was born. Without further ado, let's get into today's summary.
Power has gone out, God willing. She agreed only on the strict condition that she returns home before 5 o'clock. Denji looked at her and asked in complete surprise, "Can't I ever go out alone?" She let out a heavy sigh and explained that staying inside here all these past days had almost suffocated her. Later, while they were sitting on the train, Power finally told Denji exactly where he was. The devil who kidnapped the cat, and Denji has to face him alone, because if the devil discovers Power's presence, he will use the cat as a shield. Denji looked at Power's chest with half-closed eyes, and said that he used to raise a devil named Pochita, and he can't touch him now, but he's still in his heart. Power mocked the stupidity of his idea, so Denji looked at her in annoyance. Power said that death means the end, and living in the heart is just empty consolation. Denji was shocked, then stared at her chest and replied in resignation, "You're right," and began to think to himself. There are rumors that they use devils in the military field, and they hope that Japan will have no other enemies besides the devils. After he finished speaking, another middle-aged man asked, "How is the training of the police dog unit that Makima gave you going?" She replied, "There is one who meets expectations, and there is also another one who is interesting. By interesting, I mean a little pup I found recently." After she finished talking, the man began. "Training the police dog unit that Makima gave you. There is one who meets expectations, and there is also another one who is interesting. By interesting, I mean a little pup I found recently." After he finished speaking, the middle-aged man began tapping a pen in his hand, then said in a tone that carried a hint of warning, "Your job is to train dogs that will be useful to us, and I hope you don't get emotionally attached to them." Makima left the office hall and sat in the car driven by Hayakawa Aki. Hayakawa Aki was looking straight ahead, then asked Makima, who was sitting in the back seat, "Denji is someone who is irritating and not enjoyable at all. Why are you placing so much hope on him?" Makima took a sip of the coffee in her hand, then said slowly, "Every devil is given a name at birth, and the more frightening the name, the stronger the devil. Coffee doesn't scare people, so if I found They're here." Power pointed to a nearby house and said, "The devil and her cat are there." Denji looked where she pointed and urged her to hurry, but he seemed depressed. He didn't want to turn into a chainsaw because he gets anemia when he does. Power turned to him, not understanding what he meant, so Denji explained it to her. Denji said that he turns into Chainsaw Man. Suddenly, Denji swung his axe while Power gathered her blood. They exchanged attacks with their weapons, and in the heat of the confrontation, the hammer was soaked in blood, and Denji fell, bleeding, still holding his hammer. Power lifted Denji, groaning, off the ground. Despite his stupidity, he was alert, looking around cautiously. She dragged him inside, and suddenly a voice came from within the house. "I've been waiting for you for a long time, Blood Devil. I thought you had escaped. Stop babbling. It was hard enough for me to get out in the first place." In the room, Power placed Denji in front of a huge monster, then said to him, "As you wanted, Bat Devil, I brought you a human." When the Bat Devil saw that, an excited smile appeared on his face, and he said, "A rare mistake. If I drink this boy's blood to the last drop, I should recover. Thank goodness." You humans, look at what you've done. Because of this wound, I was forced to live hiding in this place. Food to silence the wound humans gave me must be healed with human blood. He said this. Then the Bat Devil lifted Denji and squeezed him so that Denji's blood flowed into his mouth. The taste. Because of this wound, I was forced to live hiding in this place. Food to silence the wound humans gave me must be healed with human blood. He said this. Then the Bat Devil lifted Denji and squeezed him so that Denji's blood flowed into his mouth. It tastes bad, even though it tastes bad. Even though it tastes absolutely terrible, I have finally recovered. There is still a disgusting taste in my mouth, so let me eat some more humans to wash it out. Power stood silently in the room, unmoving. Do you still want to be friends with devils? Denji's eyes stared fixedly at Power, and he recalled Hayakawa and Aki's words in his mind. At that moment, Power looked at Denji out of the corner of her eye and said, I can't believe you actually trusted my words. Humans really are extremely foolish. It's taste. It is like salty coastal grass with the distinctive aroma of a scientific experiment. When the Bat Devil moved to attack, Power stopped him to fulfill her promise and bring a human, so it was his turn to regain his strength. She mutters. Subscribe to the channel. You won't be able to touch Pochita ever again, will you? I think I am finally starting to truly understand exactly how you feel right now. It really is such a deeply painful and heartbreaking feeling, isn't it? This is absolutely vile and disgusting. All this warm blood splattered everywhere here tastes incredibly bitter and metallic. The lingering taste in my mouth is really revolting and foul. I desperately need to wash it all out with the fresh, sweet blood of a small child. After saying that, the Bat Devil jumped off the roof, spread his massive wings, and began soaring toward the bustling city. For rinsing my mouth, I'll grab a girl as an appetizer, and the blood of a mature woman will be for the soup. As for the main course, it'll be a strong-built man, and for dessert, it will be... Mid-flight, the TV suddenly grabbed her. The Bat Deviless was planning out the meal. She suddenly let out a questioning sound because, without even realizing when, the TV had grabbed her thigh tightly. On his blood-stained face appeared a firm resolve, driven by intense determination. Give me back my chest right now and drink my blood once again. How disgusting. Your blood, you little brat, isn't tasty at all to me. She grabbed Denji tightly with her hand, then suddenly used all her strength. While Denji was coughing up blood, he had already torn off a ring, and on. And suddenly, A chainsaw blade emerged from Denji's forehead, and as the Bat Devil stared in shock, the hand holding Denji was torn apart. In the next moment, Denji, now transformed into Chainsaw Man, severed the Bat Devil's newly healed arm. This is a summary of episodes 6 and 7 of Chainsaw Man, which also marks the end of the first volume. To see what happens next, support us with a like and a follow.